what to do after your workout. Right away, get some water. I just worked out. You want to, first of all, stretch your muscles out. If you did a really hard workout, you're going to want to elongate those muscles and those joints because you just shortened the muscles just a little bit. Little micro tears in the muscle fibers, but you also shorten them. So coming down, bring your breath back down to normal at a slow, even pace so you don't risk a heart attack or a stroke. Stretch all the muscles out, full range of motion, especially the ones you may be focused on in your workout. Also traction out your joints. That's sorely missed by even most fitness professionals. And tractioning out the joints is basically, I'll give you a couple examples. You swing your arms around, you do some dynamic stretching versus static stretching. Static, you're holding certain poses. Dynamic, you're letting gravity do the work. So like if you're, hinged forward and you start swinging your arms back and forth, you're letting gravity pull the weight of your arms down, tractioning out your joints. Another great way to traction out your joints that I do all the time, even just randomly throughout the day, is I might grab onto the back of a chair, or if there's a bar railing or something, and I'll just put my hands on it like they're hooks. My hands are hooks, and I'll step back, pulling against it, and it tractions out the spine, the shoulders, the elbows, the legs. It's so awesome. Or even just hanging on a pull-up bar. You got a pull-up bar or a tree branch outside, and you just hang there like your hands are hooks, everything else is relaxed, and everything just tractions out. It's just one of the greatest things to do for the body. And so after all of that, the cool down stuff, bringing your breath down, elongating the muscles, stretching everything out, and tractioning out the joints, within an hour the body is primed and ready to receive nutrients that you just rapidly depleted during your tough workout. Those vitamins, those minerals, those trace minerals, the glycogen, carbohydrate stores, the proteins, all that stuff, a lot of that has been depleted. Your body is going to be like a sponge for about an hour after your workout. After that, you missed an opportunity to replenish those missing nutrients. So I'm talking within 5 or 10 minutes. Me personally, water, I'm eating berries, maybe some melons, some fruits, some plant-based protein sources, maybe a supplement. And if you want to see what I use for a supplement, just let me know. I'll provide you a link. But as you know, you don't even really need supplements most of the time. If you just get the right fruits, berries, and plant-based proteins, that's going to go a long way if you do it right after your workout to replenish your body's store that was just rapidly depleted during that workout. So you do all those things, your body's going to have the raw materials that it needs to get to work. So the first part was the intensity of your workout. The second part is going to be what you put into your body and the rest and relaxation afterwards. Work hard, rest harder. If you do the first part without the efficient recovery, the relaxation, the nutrients that you put into your body, if you don't do that second part after the first part, then the first part, the intensity of the workout, that actually weakens your immune system and you become more vulnerable to sickness, disease. Soreness is going to be worse than it needs to be. The recovery time is going to take longer. So if you want all that hard work to not be in vain, and you want to get the benefit of all that hard work, you have to do the things that are necessary afterwards that your body is craving. The proper cool down, followed by the right nutrients, beverage, water, all that stuff. And then you need sleep. And sleep is going to go underneath that umbrella that we're calling the efficient recovery. So there's the intensity of the workout, then the efficiency of the recovery, everything I just talked about, and then sleep. When you're in sleep, especially deep state of sleep, good sound sleep, which intensity of a workout helps you get, by the way, that's when growth hormone is released from the brain to help the body recover from whatever it went through during the day, especially the intensity of that workout. So there you have it. If you enjoy this, subscribe. If you like what I talked about, if it helps you, hit the like button. It helps me tremendously with the YouTube algorithms, and click the bell so you get notified when I make new videos. And if you want to see more of what I'm about, tomberkenmeyer.com is my website, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com, where I've got endless thousands of blogs, videos, all to do with health and wealth, two enormous umbrellas that I've been practicing for a very long time now. Bye for now, everybody. Mwah.